Hello and welcome. This course is about the real world applications of linear programming. So, let's delve a little bit into the meaning of linear programming. When I say linear, it's the relationship between two or more variables. And programming is simply trying to put different values of variables that will enable me to reach the objective, which, for example, could be how many units of each product should I make to maximize the profit, or how many units of each inputs I should use in order to minimize the cost. In other words, for a business to be successful, there can be broadly any one of the two objectives: either maximize the value of something or minimize the value of something. Now, the question that may cross your mind is, what do businesses maximize in order to maximize profits? Well, they maximize sales or production or consumer satisfaction. And what do they minimize? They minimize the cost or time taken to do a job, or interest payout, or minimize the resources used, or wastages, and so on. At the micro levels of the departments concerned, each and every division of the business has a certain objective. Like the production department will be interested in knowing how to maximize production, while the sales department is more concerned with maximizing sales. On the other hand, the costing department will want to minimize the cost and minimize inventory. These objectives must be fulfilled, and the process of achieving these objectives is a process known as programming. Programming is a way to achieve the objective of maximizing or minimizing something by way of trying out different values of a variables, given that they are linearly related. There are two broad methods for minimizing or maximizing. They are graphical and simplex method. The graphical method is applied where the problem is a simple one having only two variables. For larger number of variables, we have to use the simplex method. We will start the graphical method for solving the linear programming problem with a detailed explanation as to what is an LPP or linear programming problem, how to formulate and use it with a simple graph, and then we'll proceed on to the discussion about simplex algorithm. For that purpose, we'll start with a simple problem involving two variables and two constraints before moving on to three variables and three constraints. We will conclude the course with sensitivity analysis, wherein we'll discuss what if situations in business where linear programming is applied. Hi, I'm Madhusudan Sohni, your instructor for this course. I have more than 45 years of experience in working in the industry and teaching operations research. Having a master's degree in physics and an MBA in financial management, I have worked as an industry expert with various companies and over the years helped thousands of corporates, engineers, management accountants, MBAs, CPAs, CAs, and management scholars through various executive programs and courses. I understand that linear programming is an intimidating term, but don't worry. I'll explain it with minimal arithmetic calculations and the day-to-day examples. Even a complex simplex problem can be made simple enough. Graphical method will be a lot of fun. Don't wait any further. Enroll now. See you in the course.